This is one of the plush girls. Just keep videoing. Whoops, 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 whoops. Come here, little girl. Didn't mean to scare you. Another plush girl. And then that's a boy. Where's the other girl? There you are. And this is the short-coated girl. And these are the boys. One boy. Boy 2. And then boy 3. Okay.